We started looking for a house because our little boy was 6 months old and we were living in an apartment, we wanted a little bit more space, so we looked far and wide really. We bought this house because it has a lovely sloping garden and big old trees. The entire garden had to be redone, but the structure of it was really interesting in the way that the northeast sun moves across the garden. The home renovation has been our life for the last 7 years, so we don't think about it as a renovation, we think about it as a series of mini projects that we took on. Because we were living in the house with our one child and then we had our second child, Ellen, the planning of the house was very much part of our living and our conversations throughout. It's been very alive and active to live in a space and then see it altering as you're living. So because the first thing we had to do was to move the kitchen, it was the one element that I had to plan while we were still moving. So each piece has its own kind of life rather than working together as a built-in kitchen. We had Seligna floors and we love the look of Seligna. It's pink and grey and light brown and dark brown. It's very alive. What we did in the entrance hall, we realized could easily be translated into the lounge and so bring that whole space together.